Alright, so we're now back in melee for the tournament. Is this the tournament now? Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, so Arcadian and Crow. Crow, I think he got top 4 or 5 in PCM. I think he was the I don't know. But he's definitely looking pretty sick against this Marth on Battlefield. Definitely not where that Marth wanted that Fox to go. He was definitely trying to go for the mangle to get to the ledge, but I feel like he should have been going for a higher angle. That is risky. He's gonna take a lot of % off this. Dang. Dang. This Marth is taking this. He's taking this stock to the bank. Oh my god. Is that a 0 to death? Pretty much. Man, I thought this stock was good. This Marth brought it back really fast. That's pretty sick. Was that a Phantom? He just needed to rack up damage. That was like, totally on purpose. Fox got him trying to grab or something. Alright, let's see if Pro can bring it back to how it was the first couple of stocks. Oof. That would have been awful if that hit. That would have been game over. Ooh, forwards. Forward air forwards, man. I don't know about that. If this Fox loses this game, he's losing the set. Like, he's at such a lead, and he's choking so hard right now. I hope he doesn't hear me. Someone's calling me. Dude, I feel very bad for this Fox. He was doing very well until this Marth just started edge guarding him. Alright, they're talking, they're grabbing a drink of water, rubbing their legs, scratching their arms, preparing to, Fox is thinking about, what does the Fox think about? Just take him to Dreamland. Where else do you take a Marth? You take him to Dreamland? Thank you. Like, Marth can't cover the platforms nearly as well as any other stage with his up tilt or forward smash. I think, pretty sure Marth can only catch Fox and Falco with his forward smash on platforms if they miss their tech. Because for some reason, both Marth and Fox and Falco have a hurt box on their tails that can be hit when they miss their techs. But that's pretty sick. Like, if...
At least it sounds good to me on my headset.
The Marth killer. That's what I like to see. It's like, it's so good, I just never want to play Marth when I get Marth killer. I'm like, literally all you have to do is roll the ledge and hold Z. And hold towards ledge. Never mind if I have other options. Oh my gosh. This Marth is... I don't know. Marth did bad the first couple stocks the first game. He can definitely bring it back. Oof. I remember some people who are way better commentators were saying how the Spaceys are the only characters that have a problem with trying to hit characters who are already on stage. Like when they're recovering, they're like, I want to be a little greedy. I'm not just going to try to recover. I'm also going to try to hit them and combo off of it and get a kill. It's only a Spacey problem. Like Marth, he hits them with their up B, he gets the ledge, he can wave dash on and back to neutral. He doesn't have stage control. Same thing with every other character except for Fox and Falco. They're like, oh man, if I hit him with my recovery, I get stage control or I get the combo off of it. Look at Fox is, that's what makes him so good. Fox is, oh my god. Just dashing into smash attack, Marth killers. Well, I was gonna say something about that, but he got the kill. Doesn't matter. Forward, down throw. S fat, come on.
Stay there and play Anvil.
Fox is doing really well. Keeping the pressure on. He's dead. But can the Marth pull another game one? Marth was down the entire time first game until he wasn't. And he just straight up won the game. He looks like he was a beast. Can he do that again? Not when he gets up tilted like that. Spot up jab. I feel like this Marth really likes to attack, so if this Fox really wants to win, he just gotta play patient. That was sick. The jab to pivot up smash. Uh-oh! That was sick. Good DI though. When Marth grabs you at the ledge, if you're not dead, that's good DI. Ooh, that was sick. That was a sick roll by Marth. Oof. Oh my gosh! Wispy even tried to stop that from happening. Yeah. Come on. If you can get an up throw on Marth, you either want up bear or bear. Like even if he's like DIing in front of you, you can get the. That was sick. Even if he saved Marth, he still is not dead. Like, Marth went for everything to try to get that kill. Oh, I think that's it. Good job to Marth.
Can I get Red and Scott on stream?
Oh my gosh. My boy, my man, my ODU friend, Spot from Sova is about to be on.